Here are 5 ways you can save energy while doing the laundry. So, number 1, use your cold water setting to save money. Use cold water detergents and just switch to hot water temporarily if members in your household are sick. Number 2, clean the lint tray after every use and inspect your dryer vent. It saves energy and could prevent a fire. Number 3, wash full loads of clothes if you can. Consider hang drying your clothes. Now, if you do use the dryer, use the moisture sensor to prevent wear and tear in your clothes from overheating. Number 4, consider doing the laundry during the cooler times of the day, such as the morning or overnight. It helps keep your home cool and make sure your air conditioning does not need to work harder. And finally, replace your appliances with Energy Star certified appliances. They could use less energy and less water than regular appliances. Be sure to follow us for more energy savings tips.